Hello and welcome to Healthy Lifestyle. In today's video, we'll go over the 15 health benefits of parsley leaves. But before watching the video, do not forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified when we publish a new video. Parsley is a greenish flowering plant in the Apiaceae family that is used to garnish our dishes. It is widely used in European, Middle Eastern, and American cuisines. 1. Cleanses kidneys. Parsley contains several antioxidants and vitamins that aid in the natural cleaning of the kidneys. Because of this important property of diuretics, it flushes out all waste fluids from the body. It aids in the reduction of kidney stones, gallbladder stones, bladder infections, and other urinary tract infections. 2. Fights against cancer. Parsley leaves contain a compound called carnosol, which has been shown to be effective in the treatment of skin, colon, prostate, and breast cancers. It also contains flavonoids, which have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancerous cells. 3. Reduces halitosis. Bad breath is a problem that always lets us down when we're talking to others from a close distance. Adding parsley to our meals can help us overcome this issue. The antibacterial properties of parsley leaves inhibit the growth of bacteria that cause bad breath in the mouth and help to eliminate body odor. 4. Diabetes control. These leaves contain a flavonoid called myricetin, which has the ability to lower blood sugar levels as well as reduce insulin resistance in the body. 5. Improve heart health. Parsley leaves are high in antioxidants, which can help to reduce oxidative stress and improve cardiovascular health. These leaves are high in folic acid and vitamin B, which have the natural ability to control artery wall thickening. These wonderful leaves can help to control heart disease and strokes. 6. Ensures good bone health. These leaves are high in vitamin K, which is essential for bone health. It is essential for calcium absorption and calcium control in the urinary tract. Regular consumption of these greenish leaves can help to maintain good bone health. 7. Eye health. Because of the presence of vitamin A and antioxidants known as carotenoid and beta-carotene, both of which are required for good eye health. It also aids in the prevention of macular degeneration, cataracts, dark circles, puffiness of the eyes, and retinal damage. 8. Good digestive agent. Parsley is a good digestive agent because it contains enzymes and fiber, which aid in digestion. This herb also helps to cleanse the gastrointestinal tract and improves overall body health. 9. Improve immunity. The presence of vitamin C in parsley leaves boosts the immune system and aids in fever control. With their antibacterial and antifungal properties, vitamin C, A, K, niacin, and other folates help to boost immunity and maintain good health. 10. Reduce anemia. Because parsley leaves are high in iron, they are known to treat anemia. Regular consumption of these leaves can help reduce anemia, which can cause dizziness, shortness of breath, headache, swelling of the mouth, and paleness, among other symptoms. 11. Treats menstrual problems. Parsley contains 2 types of volatile oils, myristicin and apiol, which can help with menstrual flow and other menstrual issues. 12. Reduces wrinkles and other skin problems. This wonderful herb can treat many skin problems such as wrinkles, scars, delayed aging, and skin itchiness, among others. Vitamin C is the key ingredient in protecting skin issues. 13. Healthy hair. A lack of nutrition can result in poor hair health, including hair loss and follicle weakness. This juice is used as a hair tonic to treat scalp infections, prevent excessive hair loss, treat dandruff, improve hair growth, and keep hair color natural. 14. Maintain good brain health. Parsley contains a flavonoid called apigenin, which can improve neuron formation and brain function by keeping it active and alert. 15. Arthritis control. Another remarkable property of parsley leaves is their ability to combat arthritis. People who consume more vitamin C have a lower risk of developing arthritis due to the presence of luteolin, which can reduce joint pain and stiffness. We have reached the end of our video. Check out our description. There we have linked products that will help you live a healthier life. Also, please like the video and leave a comment below. Subscribe to Healthy Lifestyle, and I'll see you in the next video.